Today I will show you how to set up the time. You see now real time is 9:10, but in the computer show 6:10 p.m. Then click there and this click the date and time setting, and you can make it off, on. Okay, now you see the time zone. We have to change the time zone. Our New York is time zone is, let me check, -5. New York is -5. Where is -5? You see the Eastern time, US. Tap there and make it this one, make it automatic. I make it automatic. Then when internet connection on, they can set up automatic time. Let me go. Now you see in the over here they show 9:11. Now you see the real time coming. I show you again. The click here, date and time setting, and you can see if you make it on, this on automatic. I already set up. It's a time zone. You have to set up your time zone. I am living USA. Just I set up -5 Eastern time, US and Canada. Thank you. I think it will help you how to set up the time on your any computer.